Hello, thanks for watching the video. So we're going to be changing out door handles, and we're going to have something completely different than what we have here. This is an original crank handle for this Toyota Tercel. This was a 97. But yeah, manual window handles to get your window down and up. This broke right here, and so I got a replacement on Amazon. It looks more like, should look more like this right here. See a little slit right here? There will be a clip that goes in this, and it will also go right in that little slot. If you can, maybe you can see it right there, and lock it in place. However, this one didn't even work very well, and that clip is missing. So I got something else I'm going to try today, and let me show you that. So we're going to try this Monza aluminum billet window winders. Picked this up somewhere. I don't even know where I got this, but anyway, you have a bunch of these adapters. I found this one which goes over mine. And of course, we're just going to be doing the passenger side, but there's going to be two, you know, one for the one for the passenger, one for the driver. And here's the handles here as well. There is an Allen wrench that came with it, and there's some Allen screws. You can see those. I'm going to call this a adapter. So let's try this adapter on. I already have one of those screws in here, and there's a little sharp end on the screw. So that's going to help hold it in place. Okay, so we do is we take one that fits. Again, I've already tried this one. All right, so it's going to fit the, whatever this is called, this the mechanism that the handle goes onto, or actually connects to the mechanism that lowers the window, I guess. So anyway, we'll put it in there like that, and it locks in place. Okay, it's got little teeth here, little gears. Let's put it right there. Now, let's put it like flush. We don't want to push it on too much. We'll put it like flush, like that right there. All right, I feel some raindrops. I think it's about to start raining here. So yeah, just kind of have it flush with the end. Tighten that on there. Okay, that's nice and snug. Okay, next we find the winder we want to use. I've already selected this one, and I've already put my little screws in there. I guess I should show you one of these, what they look like before putting them in. Okay, that's what they look like. And you just kind of countersink them. Have to do this in a hurry because it's starting to rain here. So we have our handle, and we're going to slide it over the adapter. Make sure that these screws are not going through, and we'll hit. Want it to go on just nice and straight like that. I like my handle curved like this. The window is currently in the down position, so when we start turning it up, we'll be turning it like this. And when we turn the window down, we'll be going like this. So yeah, just put it on there as far as we can. Push it on really hard if you can against the door panel. All right, we're just tightening down the Allen screws now. Trying to hold it on square. So this is kind of why we wanted the adapter to be as far out as we could get it, or flush anyway. If we pushed it on there too far, then these may not engage with it. So wanted to point that out. All right, that's pretty snug there. Let's go down to the next one here. We can do this by hand a little bit. Yeah, I wanted to stay with the original. I mean, after that broke, I don't think I'd ever really be able to get an original unless I bought it from Toyota. I guess Toyota dealer, but I think it would probably break again because I don't really like the clip system. I like this better, and you'll see kind of how it works. Tighten the screws again. Those little points are going to engage into that. Even though it is metal, the adapter, it'll still kind of tap that metal a little bit. The pointed Allen screws. All right, so I'm going to move this up so I can get a little bit better advantage to this here. This is our third and last one. All right. See, this has been really easy. I'll try to leave a description if I can find this on Amazon. I got this at a secondhand store. Wasn't used, still in the package. I don't think the package had been opened before, but it was a secondhand store. So we're really tight here. Really tight. That's all we do. Okay, that is what it looks like in place. This also spins right here. There's a screw you can tighten. And I wanted mine, loose so it would freely spin like that. So that's good. Going up and then down. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. And yeah, I wanted to point out that the screw that goes into the little knob here is Allen, has an Allen head on it, so you can use a Allen wrench to tighten that when you need to, if you need to. Pretty convenient. That way you don't have to take this back off. But yeah, it's on there really well. And I think I'm going to like it. So anyway, that's it for replacing the door handle, crank handle on probably most cars, because there's several of these adapters, 2 of the same size. So it should fit many models. That is Monza aluminum billet window winders. Thanks for watching the video. Until next time, have a nice day. Take care.